Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be showing you how to repair an electrical outlet that has gone bad outside and or inside. Please make sure that you do this very safely and shut off your power.
Alright, the first step before I do my job, first you go to the breaker. It's hard to see because I turned off the breaker already. I'll just turn off the main breaker. I'll kill all the power in the house. That way, no matter if I feel like switching jobs or not, power will be killed in the whole house. So make sure you cut the electricity off. Right.
Okay, so we'll get started.
First, you want to take off these screws. Also, the tools I got today, I got a flathead and a Phillip, because you never know which one you're going to need. We also got wire strippers, wire cutters, just in case, and a new plug. Also, some plugs have a GFI, our front outlet, and the front of the house has a GFI on it. This one does not. Alright, as you can tell, the bare wire, the copper wire is ground. The black wire is negative and your positive wire is the white wire. So you just want to take them out. Also, if you have one of them tools to check to make sure the electricity is off, you can test it as well. But I did shut off the main breaker, so the whole house has been energized. Right now I'm just cutting the wires, that way we have a fresh connection to the new plug. These had a little bit of paint on them, so I want to make sure we have a good ground connection. Here's the new plug going in. Here's the plug that we took out. As you can tell, the bottom of it was broken and looked like it gave away. Alright, and as you can tell from the new one has these in case you're putting in a regular outlet, but we're going to have to put it on the outside of the cover, so these are going to have to come off before you put it in. Another thing in the back, show you the guys' differences. The new wire, we're going to be cutting it. Instead of wrapping around there, we're just going to be feeding it through the hole. That's why we cut them. We're going to strip it and show new wires. And as you guys can hear, my son's making noises in the background. And my neighbor's cutting wood. Alright, now we're ready to reinstall the new one.
The ground wire.
We'll bend it. Next we're going to put the white wire in, or the positive. The back will tell you guys which one goes where, in case you guys forgot. Then of course you want to check, make sure none of your wires come out. And then put them back in, push them back in. Alright. Then you want to turn the breaker back on and count your blessings and hope you don't burn up the whole house. Alright, so I turned the breaker on for the house is all lit back on. I have this to test it out. You can always use something to plug it in, like maybe your phone, to see if it's actually charging or anything like that. I'm using this, so We'll put it in, and if it has electricity, it should light up. There you go. We do have power, so
He didn't burn the house
I
down.
didn't burn the house down. Insurance isn't called, and we're good to go. We're gonna have to start our life all over again. So
And he didn't get
everything's good to go.
electrocuted.
I didn't get shocked. Luckily outside it didn't start raining yet, so we're good to go. Always check the weather. Other than that, we're good to go. Thank you guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up if you guys want. Thank you very much. Have a good one.